Hi friends, today video about Blackview Oscal C80 smartphone.
A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till you dream.
The Oscal C60 was released a few months ago, and the Blackview Oscal C80 is its replacement. The new smartphone will cost when it goes on sale on September 14th on AliExpress. The greatest specs of any Oscal smartphone to date are also included in it. The smartphone's screen is 6.5 inches and has a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels. The screen has an IPS display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz and a notch on the front. Let's discuss about the new Blackview smartphone's design and other characteristics. Design. First, I noted that the Blackview Oscal C80's back panel matches that of the most current iPhone 14. The same dual camera is present and is positioned diagonally. The UNISOC T606 octa-core CPU, clocked at 2.0 GHz, powers the Blackview Oscal C80 on the inside. The Mali-G57 GPU, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of internal storage are all supported by the SoC. On the Oscal C80, 2 lenses are utilized in the camera area. These include a QVGA depth camera, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a dual LED flash, and an 8-megapixel selfie camera that fits into the notch on the front. Navy blue, early sunny snow, and midnight black are the possible color options for the phone. It sports a side fingerprint scanner, runs on Google Android 12 with docOS 3.0 out of the box, and has a 5180 mAh battery with an 18W fast charger. You know, the Blackview Oscal C80 looks great.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Back of my head I'm seeing, take me for granted, and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling.